Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC rallied last few days and broke out of this range to the upside, followed with that our primary scenario, which is the yellow wave count that was supposed to give us another high. And now we have 5 waves up, potentially completed leading diagonal in 5 waves. That 5th wave could still be unfolding, so might get another high. My ideal target range is between $1.11 and $1.24. So one more high seems a reasonable expectation. It doesn't necessarily need it. We've got 5 waves up, as you can see when we zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. We wanted to see 5 waves up to confirm that we indeed have bottomed here in September and that we are probably in a lasting uptrend or a more lasting uptrend that could essentially take the price to round about $10 in a bull market. I've been talking about this bull market target for a while, and this could be finally the setup that will get us there, because we have 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ABC pullback next, which hasn't started yet, which will be another support area, right? Could take us then after that wave 2 is completed, the 3rd wave rally can send us first to $3 and beyond, and then into the direction of $10. So that is a proper setup, proper breakout setup. Obviously, first we need that pullback. I did read already some frustrated comments. Oh, now we have to wait for the wave 2. Well, I mean, we just had a setup, right? We've been talking about nothing else than getting this 5th wave for many, many weeks when the price hit that support area here, which was our setup. And then the 5th wave to the upside was the plan, was the primary scenario, even though I always said that really probabilities will get much clearer once we have those 5 waves, because then we know that this is a trending move. We always need 5 waves up as per Elliott wave guidelines and rules, and then the 3 wave pullback. That's not only Elliott wave, that's common sense really, because a 5 wave move up followed by a 3 wave move down is really the simplest form how you can establish or visualize an uptrend, right? You can't do it with 3 and 1 waves. That doesn't work. Also not with 3 and 3, then you don't have progress. But with 5 waves up and 3 waves down, you can basically, it's the only way really how you can visualize a proper trend. That's this classical Elliott wave trending pattern. It could be an impulse, could be a diagonal. This for me is a diagonal pattern, also because this 5th wave here basically started on the 22nd of November and is an ABC structure, right? So it's a 3-wave move. Also because this A wave is a 3-wave move. So the whole thing is likely going to be a 3-wave move. And it would look better with just one more high here. Because if we zoom into the detail, you see that the move up is likely going to be the C wave of that 5th wave that we then would call a wave 1 overall. The entire pattern is wave 1. And we've got a 1, we've got a 2. This here could be the 3. We might now be in the 4 that might already be completed. It's very micro, this perspective. And then one more high. Yeah, could take us into that ideal target range. And we've so far barely missed my target. It reached $1.09. I highlighted $1.108 is my ideal target. Is it a must to get there? I mean, also received some questions. Is it a must to get to $1.11? No, there's never a need to do anything. The market doesn't need to do anything. However, it would be ideal. All we can do is lean ourselves towards, with probabilities, in line with probabilities. And I mean, it's looking at different projections and ways of measuring the target here. The $1.11 level is one of the ideal targets. But looking at this, it might very well stretch to $1.24. Most importantly, I will not confirm a top in place until I see evidence for it. And then I will also add a support area for a wave 2 onto the chart. And that could be that breakout setup that will send us higher. I don't know where that's coming from. In a 3rd wave. Okay, first of all to $3 and beyond, and then into the direction of the $10 range. Not much more to add, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.